the next step is this one, right? So as I said, whenever you create a legal entity, automatically a legal reporting unit will get created. Okay. So now we'll go and check that how what is that legal entity reporting unit which got created. So see, legal reporting unit. So this will be the in the context of a legal entity. Legal reporting unit will be under the legal entity, right? LRU is under an LE. So what I'll do is I just select and add, so that as already that got created, right? With the same name it got created. So you can see here, it got created with the same name. So you can see here, it got created with the same name. And if you want, you can change the name. I'll say legal or generally we call this as tax reporting unit in SCM. I will say okay. So this is what you have. This is the LRU which got created. Now we'll see the registrations for this LRU. You saw that, right? So while creating the LE, I gave two numbers there, EIN or TIN and the registration number. So registration number is used at this level.
Okay.
So by default it will create one. So for US I need this as well. I need the federal income tax thing as well. And next is again the way you edited that information, right? Manage legal entity HCM information. So in a similar way we can edit manage legal reporting unit HCM information. There you selected that as a PSU, and you have the option of doing that, right? PSU and legal employer kind of thing. Here you'll have this tax reporting unit and a reporting establishment.
Okay.
Okay, I'll select it it as both. It's a TRU as well as a reporting establishment. As I said, reporting establishment is only used for HR thing, only used for HR reporting. It doesn't have any thing to do on the payroll side. Okay, whereas tax reporting unit, it is linked to the it is used in payroll calculations, wherein you have some state specific taxes to be calculated, right? State specific calculated taxation rules and all. So that will be based on the tax reporting unit.
Okay.
So you can say what is the reporting manager and all those things. And then if you come to the tax reporting unit thing, so here you will have the additional information if you want. For US, a lot many things has to be captured at for each of the state level. Okay, at the TRU level you have to capture some information. Okay, so so the main thing for us is to select as both PRU and reporting establishment.